many people will join TikTok and they will say, well, I don't have an audience of my own. If I don't have an audience, there's nobody to share my TikToks, there's nobody to share my videos. What do I do? So in this video, let's actually talk about how I'll help you promote and how you can help others and others will help you using the community of this course.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
So that's what this video is going to be about. So let's go over the ways I'm going to try to help you. I have a Twitter account that I'm going to show you, has a couple of thousand followers. For students of this course who have completed the full course, and you either tell me or you send me through a private message your course certificate that you got from Udemy, I'm going to retweet your TikTok handle on that Twitter if you just tell me about it, and hopefully that will get you a little bit of life. Then, of course, in a second, I'll show you how using this course, you can network with other students in this course, and you can like their TikToks, they can like your TikToks, and actually you'll build up an audience of students in this course. But before you ask for help, it's in life and in TikTok and everywhere else, it's good to help others before you ask for help. So make sure that you help whoever you see who's already posting. You have to help them, follow them, comment on their stuff, and only then maybe they'll comment on yours, especially if you let them know that, hey, you've already subscribed to them and you're a part of this course. And of course, I would appreciate if you followed me, Alex Ginedinik. That's my business account, and Alex Ginedinik Music. That's my hobby project, like my passion project, Alex Ginedinik Music. I would really appreciate it if you joined that and if you checked it out. I'd love comments. Obviously it's my passion. That's what I really love. I might not be amazing at music, but I really like it. So let me show you that Twitter account from which I'll promote you. This is my Problemio.com business account. You can see it has 1,400 followers at the moment. And if you just tweet at it and say, hey, I finished your course or something like that, or if you send me a private message on Udemy, I'll retweet you to this audience. Obviously, it's not going to be earth-shattering results, but at least it's something. And if you're an extra good student, maybe I'll retweet you with this account, which has over 5,000 followers, which is my personally branded Twitter account. Now, let me actually show you how I'm going to promote you in the course, in this very course that you're taking. This is my profile as a student, and let's say I go to one course here, any course, doesn't matter what it is. I'll go to this course, and the course will play, and there's a Q&A area. So from this Q&A tab, you would just click on Ask a New Question. You would say course content, and then you would click Continue, and then you would post your TikTok screen name so that other people would see it and hopefully they follow you. But make sure that you go back to all questions and you look, is anybody else asking you to follow them? And please follow them, because if you want love, you want to share love. You want to give that, right? You don't want to be just a taker. So you're welcome to post questions here. Obviously, this is not my course. This is not me in the picture. This is somebody else. I'm just using this as an example, but you would go into this course that you're taking, enter in the Q&A, and hopefully this will stay here for a while and people will follow you and you will follow other people. It will create a community in the course. And of course, when you're done with the course, let me know. I'll share your profile on Twitter so at least you can get some initial promotion. And of course, as time goes on, I'll work on additional things I can do to help to promote students in this course. But in the beginning, as soon as you make your TikTok profile, definitely come in here, ask a new question, and add your TikTok profile so you can immediately hopefully get at least a little bit of followers. And then as soon as you're done with the course, you can get the retweet. So essentially, this is all you can do essentially on day one, and it's going to be one of our initial steps. And of course, I'd appreciate it if you paused this video and just took a second and found me on my business account and my music account and followed me. And if you tweet me, if you write to me, say, hey, I just followed you, I'll also follow you back, because I'll be happy to follow you since you're a student in this course and we're working on our TikToks together. And the way this course is structured is I'm literally documenting my own journey. So you might catch me at like almost no followers. I'm literally starting from scratch and showing you my progress as I go. So when I'm making this video, I literally have nearly no followers. So that's the experiment. And so it will be interesting when you see this, it will be interesting how many followers I have. And then you'll have all the answers in the course for how I got them. And I'll keep adding to the course as I grow, and I'll show you more and more secrets what worked and didn't work. But this is what we can all do on day one.